ये कॉलेज मुझे लगता है बेंगलुरु कैंपस के जैसा दिखता है। यहाँ आप सबको देखे तो मुझे लगता है आप सब बेंगलुरु के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्या लगता है उतना आप अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पर सैयद बारे कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करा रहे हैं। तो मैं उनको बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ सैयद बारे फैमिली को, और मुझे भी इस कार्यक्रम के लिए बुला के मुझे यहाँ पर एक इज्जत दिया है, तो इसके लिए मैं उनको धन्यवाद देते हुए मेरे बातें खत्म करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय कर्नाटक।
और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है जिस तरह महिला मैडम डिसिप्लिन है, उनके स्टूडेंट्स भी उसी तरह काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन बच्चे स्टूडेंट्स हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है आप तमाम अच्छे से अच्छे प्रोफेशनल्स बनकर निकलेंगे, और आप लोगों से मेरी यही गुजारिश है कि जो भी आपका एम है, एक बार आगे बढ़ने के बाद पीछे हटना सही नहीं है। वो
Time to felicitate the medical rankers. May I kindly request our Chief Guest Srimati Kaniza Pratimamam, the MLA from North Gulbarga, to please do the honors. The medical rankers, so here we are.
of Annual Gathering 2023 hosted by Syed Bari PU College and felicitation of medical and dental rankers. The year 2022-23 has been a blessed and rewarding year in the landmark of our history. It will be marked as one of the golden era of Syed Bari.
Let us extend a hearty applause to all the lecturers of Syed Bari who have also played a hand in rendering effective teaching to us.
PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನದ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದಂಥ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ನದೀಮ್ ಸೈಯದ್ ಬಾರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಬಾರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಸಿಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಸೈಯದ್ ಬಾರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅವರದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. आप सबको मालूम है अगर बाहर PUC में अगर एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारा डोनेशन देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर सैयद बारे कॉलेज में क्या है बहुत कम फीस और डोनेशन।
Good morning, Gulbarga. On this year 2022-23, Sayyid Bare PU College is going to present in Gulbarga society a wonderful infrastructure for the upcoming 10th standard who would take admissions in first PUC. The new infrastructure of Sayyid Bare PU College caters with online classes for Alan, online classes for Akash Institute, and moreover the test series and the doubt clarification would also be online. This infrastructure has separate building for girls and separate building for boys. In the new building campus, we are promoting well-ventilated classrooms and the latest technology internet boards that will give you the direct connections to the internet for educational services, and to have as far as all the metropolitan cities colleges we are going to inbuild in Gulbarga's Syed Bare PU College campus. This would be a well-defined capsule for studies towards our 10th standard students. Further, I would like to state, as the NEP educational system is to be implemented, board is coming up for 10th, 8th standard and 5th standard. So, in the coming up years, objective pattern of examination is going to crack the students. I want my students of Gulbarga to develop and generate reasoning and thinking powers so that they can crack the objective paper pattern. It is very much essential and utmost required for nowadays students to think creatively, read widely, and go beyond the knowledge of your textbooks. Go to encyclopedias, go to the far most knowledge. The more you widen your horizon of knowledge, the more your reasoning and thinking power is to be generated. Your brain has to be creative to think about what the question says. You got to play with the questions, and that's how our curriculum is designed to tackle the objective pattern in the upcoming years. Nextly, which is most needed, nowadays we find the adolescent of Gulbarga society is getting more distracted. At Syed Bare PU College, my utmost desire is to make these adolescent students to be focused to their targets of education. My dear Gulbarga society children, education is that weapon with which you can fight the battle of your life. And I promote all my Gulbarga 10th standard students to choose the right college at the right time of your life. You got to make a selection by your parents' advice, not where the friends go, you will also follow the line. I want you to think, analyze about the college and see where the college focuses on your overall building. We not only direct educations and knowledge to my students, but we also instill in them moral values, religious values, ethical values. Knowledge is utmost needed, but that should be carved out of our moral and religious values, which makes a child an all-rounder. Our utmost desire is to see all our students, they pray namaz, they wake up for Fajr namaz and plan their educational schedule, learning schedule starting from Fajr namaz. That is very much needed in today's students. Girl child is the most important sector of our Gulbarga society. If the girl child is not directed on a proper track, it becomes very difficult for her to make her life successful. PUC second year is no doubt the turning point, but at the same time, the girls have to be channelized towards making their education the best. If a girl is educated, she will further educate her full family. A boy is the bread owner, no doubt, but a girl also needs to be educated. Further, I would call upon all our 10th standard students, before writing their exam, to study well, focus on your chapters, and all my second year students to focus for their NEET and for engineering. However, there are many careers in their lifetime, but the most important career they are going to select is to be an IAS officer. These are the prime privileged educational streams through which you can become an IAS officer, go for medicine, become a super specialist. Earlier there were only MBBS, but now the demand is of super specialist. We are carving the students to be doctors. Further, they will lead to become super specialists. I welcome all the 10th standard students to take admissions in Syed Bare PU College, for they have the right choice at their hand, coming up to serve you for a better education in your life. Thank you.